My mindset going into this was, I'm just not getting enough done. I need more to focus on. I want to do something big and strike off on a good note into the next upcoming year. And I didn't know where to go. So I feel now, as far as transformation is concerned, and this being the catalyst for change, I feel like I've stepped into setting out my goals and putting my plans into action. I've already did some action this past week and starting my first blog and setting up my own channel for YouTube and doing all these things that I've always wanted to do, but I've just never done because I was afraid, or I didn't know what to do, or I didn't know where my direction was. So I feel like I've gotten a lot more clarity and concentration on the action plan and then implementing. So I can say all of those things that I've done.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you're transforming, and the cool part is we are all witnessing it.
Marlo, I think my biggest thing was, how do I end the decade with a bang? And now we have 3 weeks left to end the decade with a bang. So that was my big coming into this. What do I want to be? How do I define success? I think was the biggest thing, is how do I define success? Because as I think about the future and the next year and succinct goals and moving forward, I want to set myself up for success.
Okay, so how do you feel about it now? I mean, as you've gone through week over week, you're learning all these different things. Like, how do you feel about defining your success now and that transformation of saying, I just want to nail it, 21 days to the nail? Take us there.
Yeah, I think overall, I feel really good about my definition of what that looks like. I feel really good about I did a 2-year BD, business development plan. I felt like that was really important. I didn't execute the presentation like I wanted to, but I got the foundation that I needed to say, here's where I'm going, here's how I'm going to get there. I have a very clearly defined objectives. And then also just realizing when I'm most successful, when I'm most excited, there's an element of personal in it. There's an element of relationship, and almost kicking those things off first, personal, relationship, then business. I'm more motivated to do my business and what I need to do to be successful there. So I'm just super thrilled to go into 2020.